Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I am at Dallowali, Jammu Road. This is most beautiful Union Council in this area. The most favorite market of Sialkot countryside. And if you go any countryside area in Sialkot, you will like this one because it has a lot of business opportunities and there is very difficult to get a shop here at Dallowali. You can check that on road sides. We have different oranges and other markets. This is very populous village, largest village as well of Sialkot. And today I am enjoying the rain, but what is the enjoyment inside car? It's better to on bike, because on bike you will enjoy the more. You can more freely enjoy on your bike. But the people think that car is better, but everything is good. I like the rainy weather very well. And very much thanks to all of you for watching my video. Thanks for watching. I am Professor Naeem Attari from Sialkot, Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum.